How quickly can your audience answer? Dash offers a fast-paced game for instructor-led or self-paced quizzes, featuring a variety of question types: fill in the blank, multiple choice, and true-false. Dash provides you with a fun way to learn what they know and how quickly they can access the answers. Follow the step-by-step tools to create your game in minutes. Content can also be generated via the AI Assist feature for even faster development. BravoZone allows you to truly deliver content using slides before and after each question for deeper learning. Play anytime, anywhere, on any device. Drive results with real-time feedback. BravoZone captures comprehensive data for every session, helping you instantly spot knowledge gaps and create valuable teachable moments. Ready to transform your training? Use BravoZone free in your next training session. Click the Try It button to get started today.